Hey guys, I am here today to talk to you about BOA. So if you've been following me for a while, you will know how much I love looking after my skin and just doing as much as I can to somehow obtain natural beauty because I really just cannot be bothered with all that extra stuff. I try and not wear makeup as much as possible. And yeah, I think there's something really empowering about embracing your natural skin and what it looks like first thing in the morning. So trust me when I say I've been using this for a couple of months now and I am loving the results. At first I was a bit skeptical going, no way, but legit it works. And I only realized how good it was when I tried to use it too much and I just wasn't getting results. So if there's no dead skin cells, there's nothing to ball away. So basically I'm going to show you guys what this is. It's a gentle exfoliant in a stick, and in the shower you just rub it on your face, rub it in, and what it does is it removes the dead skin cells from your face. They just ball up and you wash them away. It's as simple as that. It's not rough on your skin like other exfoliants. It doesn't cause breakouts like what I have had in the past. Every time I would do a face scrub, I would end up having breakouts, so I always avoided them. So I'm going to show you this little beauty on my face. I'm not hopping in the shower. I'm going to do it over the sink and you guys get to see it in action. So there you have it. I am ready to rinse now. You can see that. So I've just washed it off. As you can see, there's a little bit of redness right now, but I think that's just from the scrubbing. So give me about a couple of minutes and I'll be back to show you the final result. So here you have it. Here's my skin. I'm not even wearing moisturizer yet. Look how shiny that is. All the dead skin has been lifted and it's nice and smooth. So if I do want to wear makeup later, it will go on so perfectly. You will see a massive difference.